Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to crochet this adorable lip balm cover. For this tutorial I will be using white and pink yarn, a crochet hook, a scissors and a crochet needle. Let's start with the base part. I am using white yarn for the base. Hold your white yarn like this and make a slip knot. Now make 5 chains on top. After make 5 chains, insert your hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch to form a small circle. Chain 1 on top for single crochet stitch. Next we're gonna make 5 single crochet inside the circle. After making 5 single crochet stitch, slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Chain 1 on top for next row. In the second row, make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch below. Now we have a total of 10 stitches. Measure it with lip balm below side. From the third row onward, make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Chain 1 at the beginning of every row. Continue this pattern according to the length of your lip balm. My lip balm measures 2.5 inches, so I made a total of 10 rows. Here I am complete 9 rows. Make one extra row equal to the 10 row. After completing 10 rows, make a slip stitch at the end. Now look, my lip balm is totally covered with 10 rows only. After that, now make chain 40. This will the form of hanging loop. Slip stitch at the end and cut the extra yarn, leaving some for joining both ends later using the crochet needle. Now let's move on the upper part of the lip balm cover. Here I am using pink yarn. Hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. Then 5 chains on top. Insert the hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch to form a small circle. Chain 1 on top for single crochet stitches and make 5 single crochet stitches inside the circle. After that, slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch to close this round. For the next row, chain 1 on top and make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch below. Continue making 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch below. Now we have 10 single crochet stitches. In the third row, repeat the pattern again, increasing in each stitch. After that, you will have 20 single crochet stitches. From the fourth row onward, make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Now continue making one single crochet stitch in every stitch below. Continue same pattern for 6 rows in total. Now 6 rows is ready. At the end make a slip stitch, then 2 chains on top for double crochet stitch. In the same stitch make 3 double crochet stitches. Skip 2 stitches, then slip stitch in the third chain. This forms your first petal is ready. Repeat this pattern all the way around to complete the flower edge. Slip stitch in the end and fasten off securely. Cut the extra yarn. Now hide the leftover yarn carefully with your crochet hook. Here is the balm upper part ready. Now using the white yarn tail we left behind, thread it into your crochet needle and stitch both parts together carefully. Secure both parts tightly. Cut any extra yarn and hide the remaining ends. And there you go, your crochet lip balm cover is ready. Cute, cozy and perfect to protect your lip balm in style. It keeps your lip balm clean and dust free. It also makes a lovely handmade gift. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more creative crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.